Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I want to show you how to download and install the TPlayer application to your Android TV device without using the download application. This is very short and easy. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So the application we'll be using in this case is the APK Time application. And if you're wondering how to get this application to your Android TV device without downloader, then in the description of this video, I have given you the right guide to help you install APK Time to your Android TV without downloader. So please watch that video in the description. Once you're done and gotten APK Time to your Android TV device, all you've got to do is to launch it and come to this option that says players and browsers. Once you're here, browse to the bottom where you're going to see the TPlayer application, and here's it over here. This all you need to do is just click on download, and the application is going to be downloaded to your Android TV, and then you can install it. So just click download and it is downloaded. Now after it's done downloading, all you need to do is click on install. The application is going to be installed to your Android TV device. That's it about the video. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.